It was the night before.
Alexa, play Rudolph the Red-Nosed Reindeer. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are doing a Christmas Q&A and I've got a special little helper with me. Can you say hi?
Hi.
I've got Brooks here. He's my 2-year-old little boy and we are going to be answering some fun Christmas questions with you guys. So if you are interested, then just keep watching. Alright, we have got our hot chocolate ready. I've got this cute little peppermint spoon from the Dollar Tree of all places. Brooks has one too. He's so excited about it. And he's got a little mug that matches mine. It came in a set. How cute! And I just have marshmallows with sprinkles in there for him and his peppermint spoon. So let's go ahead and start answering these Christmas questions. Question number 1 is, what is your favorite Christmas cookie? I think for me, it has to be a cookie that my grandma makes every year, and it's a really old school style cookie, but it's a frosty date ball, and it has dates in it, which I don't usually like, but I don't know what it is about those cookies. They are so good. I'll insert a picture of what it looks like here, but let me know if you guys make those as well. Okay. Question number 2 is, what is your favorite Christmas song? What's your favorite Christmas song?
Cows.
Cows.
Cow for my Christmas.
Oh, he wants cows for his Christmas. Okay, my partner has left, but I will answer the rest of them on my own. So I think my favorite Christmas song, that's a hard one because I have like my favorite church Christmas songs, and then I have like my favorite like just holiday songs. I don't know. I love Christmas music though. I guess I would have to say Noel by Francesca Battistelli is like a go-to. I actually made my very first video of Brooks when he was about, I don't know, 7 months old. And I had that song playing in the background and it's just so sweet. So definitely check that one out. I also, this is kind of a funny one, but I love Justin Bieber Christmas music. I know that's so random and so funny, but it takes me back to like high school, like early high school Kailyn. And I just remember like jamming out. And what's funny is I hadn't listened to that CD in years, literally years. And I got it last year just on my phone. And I remember like every single word to every song. So if you guys haven't checked that out, you should. Question number 3 is ham or turkey? And I think this is kind of a Thanksgiving question, but I know that a lot of people make Thanksgiving food for Christmas, and I will have to say ham. Ham all the way. I love a sweet like pineapple glazed ham for any holiday. I'm really not that big on turkey. Number 4 is white lights or colored lights on a Christmas tree. And I'd have to obviously say white lights. If you guys seen my Christmas home tour, I have white lights on everything in the house except for one reindeer in Brooks's room, and that has colored lights. So white lights. Number 5 is favorite gift as a child. So last night I was making the list of questions and pulling them from different places. Mom and Dad were over. We were celebrating her birthday and I was telling them like all the questions, and Mom immediately remembered what my favorite gift was as a kid. And I didn't think she would get it. Oh, excuse you. I didn't think she would get it, but she did, so that was really funny. But my favorite gift as a kid was a giant horse from Target that you could brush, you could put a saddle on. It probably was like this high, and I'm trying to remember the brand of it, but I cannot remember it for the life of me. It was kind of like the Our Generation dolls that they have now, but it was for horses, if that makes sense, like big horses. And I loved that horse. It was a brown, light brown horse with dark brown, probably black even, mane and tail. And I would brush it, I would wash it down. I remember playing with that toy for hours. So that was definitely my favorite Christmas gift I ever received as a child. Number 6 is a real or fake Christmas tree. And I'd have to say fake. I've never even had a real Christmas tree because my mom's allergic, so I don't know. I wouldn't even know what to do with a real tree. No idea how it works or anything. So I have fake trees all over my house. Number 7 is favorite Christmas movie. And I had to think a long time about this one. I love so many Christmas movies. I try to watch like as many as possible this season, starting like November 1st, but I have to say my favorite Christmas movie that I look forward to watching, it's White Christmas. If you guys have never seen it, it's this old school movie where these two girls sing and they put on like shows for people, and they sing like duets with two other guys. And I just remember watching that when I was a little girl, being at my grandma's making Christmas cookies, and she always would bring in this little tiny TV that was like this big into her kitchen so we could watch White Christmas, and I just love that movie. The girls in the movie had these huge dresses on and like these really pretty costumes, and I just loved it. And I can even sing a lot of the songs from that movie. So if you haven't seen White Christmas, you definitely should. But I also love like all of the originals. I loved the Santa Claus, the original one, when I was a kid. I watched that so many times. I love Elf. I think it's funny. I can't watch that one over and over. Like once a year is good for me. And then I also love all of the Hallmark Christmas movies. I know that you can predict the ends, but I just love them. Number 8 is favorite Christmas Bath & Body Works scent. And for that one, I would definitely say Winter Candy Apple. That one is so old, but I don't know what it is. I just love it. I've got the shea butter version of it. I have the candle. I just love that one. Number 9 is my favorite Christmas pajamas, and I thought I would wear them for this video, but this set from Target is what I'm wearing. It's $24.99, but I always catch them when they're on sale for $15. They're just like these really cozy, like thermal material, but they're soft. And they're not super tight either. Like this shirt has so much room in it. They're just so cozy, and I actually got these last year, but they still have them. And you can't forget cozy socks. Okay, number 10 is outside lights or projector show lights. I don't have either of those out right now, but I would love to do Christmas lights. I am not a huge fan of the projector lights. We got it a couple of years ago, I think when Brooks was a baby, and they just don't show up real well, or at least the one we got didn't. So I would definitely say Christmas lights. I think there's nothing cuter than lights on your whole house and have it lit up at night. I think that's so like welcoming and warm. 11 is my favorite Christmas tradition. And I have so many traditions for Christmas. I'm trying to even nail it down to my favorite, but I'll name off a couple. So when I was a kid, my favorite tradition was waking up on Christmas morning, and my brother would always run into my room, and we would have to wait in my room before my mom and dad would let us go through, and they would always like film us as we were coming in. And I just loved that moment of just walking in and seeing all of the presents and the tree and just the Christmas morning feel. Like it was just the best as a kid. Another tradition that we always have, and we did it last weekend, was we always go to this drive-through light show, and at the end of it they have this big like vendor session, and they've got carolers playing, they have a train for kids to ride, Santa, and it's just so fun to go there and just walk around and feel the holiday spirit. And then we always eat at my favorite local Italian place. It's just the best. We've probably been doing that for like 4 or 5 years now, and we'll go with my family, Taylor's family, and it's just super fun. Another thing that we always do is matching Christmas pajamas. When I was little, we would always open up pajamas for Christmas Eve, but we never actually matched. So Taylor's family has always done like matching family pajamas. So the last couple of years, especially since I've had Brooks, I always make sure to get me, Taylor, and Brooks matching pajamas for Christmas Eve. Number 12 is my favorite Christmas drink, and for sure, first thing that comes to mind is from Starbucks, their holiday toasted white chocolate mocha. I usually get it iced or sometimes hot, but it's so good. And if I don't want it super sweet, I will just tell them to cut one of the sweeteners out. So that's a drink that I always look forward to. At home for my coffee, I've been drinking Coffee Mate peppermint mocha, and I really love that. And then every once in a while, I'll make a good old hot chocolate. So for this one, I just use a hot chocolate packet with milk, marshmallows on top, some red sugar crystals, and then a candy cane spoon. That is it for my Christmas Q&A. I hope you guys enjoyed it and liked seeing Brooks in the beginning. I thought he would have some more questions, but you know how it is with toddlers. But I hope you guys have a very Merry Christmas, and I hope you're enjoying Vlogmas. Stay tuned for tomorrow's video and catch up on all the other ones if you've missed them. Please like this video if you liked it, and subscribe to my channel if you are new, and I'll see you in tomorrow's video. Bye, guys.
I want cows. I'm trains.
Cows and trains from Ho-Ho? Have you been a good boy this year?
Yeah.
You have? And what's your name?
But
What's your full name?
Christian Cash.
Brooks Christian Cash.
Cash.
Good job. And what's your favorite Christmas song?
A reindeer.
Rudolph the Red-Nosed Reindeer.
Bye, guys.
See you later.
See you later.
Whoa, oh, oh, la da da da, oh, 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 la da da da, oh, oh, la da da da, making our Christmas memories. I've been working so